Hello, Riego. Welcome to our recorded class. We will have our lesson for the letter Z today. But first, let me show you our date for today. Today is February 4, 2025. Let's jump to the next part of our recorded class and we will practice counting from 1 to 30. So I'll be checking the number for you and you get to count with me. So how about we start with this one? We have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So here are the numbers that we counted 1 to 30, and it's a lot. Now let me remove the writings on our screen and let's jump to another part of our class. So how about let's look at our letter for today. This week we have the letter Z. Remember there are two kinds of letter Z's. We have the capital and the lowercase letter Z. Big letter Z, that's capital. Small letter Z, that's our lowercase. And Z has the Z sound. The sound of Z is the sound of Z is Z. All the letters make a sound. The sound of Z is Z. Z is for zucchini, zipper and zebra, zeppelin and zero. We also have the zinnia. They all make the sound, the Z sound. Letter Z, letter Z. Remember, we have the zucchini. A zucchini is a kind of vegetable and it is yummy. Z is also for our zipper. You find this one in your clothes and in your bag to close it. Z is for the zebra. It's in the family for our horses. They have the same features. So they might look alike, but the zebra, it's different because it has stripes. Z is for the zeppelin. A zeppelin is like the hot air balloon that floats and goes up in the sky. You also have the number 4, empty, for nothing. It is 0. And Z is for the zinnia. A zinnia is a kind of flower. So those are the things that begin with our letter Z. Let's erase this one and let's jump to another part of our class and let's go move on to our alligator letters. So remember our alligator letters, these are short and fit under the dotted line. We have our letter Z. When we make our letter Z, use line at the top, you slide and go out, that's capital Z. Lowercase letter Z, a line at the top, you slide and go out. Lowercase letter Z. And how about we also check. Remember, we have Z is for our zipper. This is the zipper. The Z sound, letter Z. Now, now that we need to move on to the next part of our class, we'll get to check for our materials. Now, if you have your board with you, please go get it. We'll need to practice writing. Please get your eraser and your marker for writing on the board. And we'll proceed in writing our letter Z. So how do we make our letter Z? Zippy Z is easy to write. 3 zigzag lines and it looks just right. So you go line at the top, you slide, and you go out. Capital letter Z. Next one. How about let's jump to your lowercase letter Z. So I will erase this one on the screen. How about our lowercase z? Follow z to the zoo today. Let's do lowercase small letter z. 1, 2, 3, and you're on your way lowercase letter z. So here we also have lowercase letter z. Now that we're done with our z's, we will try to also write for the things that begin or has letter z, our z words. So let's start with zebra. Z, E, B, R, and letter A, we have the word zebra. So the zebra is the animal that you might see in the zoo or in the wild that has stripes. Zebra. Let me fix this one. Our letter A looks different. It's far away. So it ends with A. And our letter Z, it has to be small like this. So we have the word zebra. Let me fix something on our screen. Let me play it back. And how about let's jump to our next word. Let me erase this one. And let's go do the word zigzag. A zigzag is an unstraight line. So let's spell it out. Z, I, and the letter G. Z, A, and the letter G. That's the word zigzag. Zigzag. When I draw zigzags, it's like this. It's not straight. It looks like it's the waves. So this is how you do the word zigzag, and this is how you draw your zigzag. Let's erase this one. How about let's move on to the word zero. Z, E, R, and the letter O. Zero. Our number that is empty or nothing, that's the word zero, the number zero. See? We have the number zero. Let's erase this one and let's go jump to the next one. We have the word Zeppelin. Z, E, P, P, and E, letter L, letter I, N for the word Zeppelin. A Zeppelin, remember, it is like the hot air balloon. It flies up in the sky. A Zeppelin. It's a long word also. Now, if I am being too fast, you can pause the video and play it again once you are done. Okay? Let me erase the Zeppelin and let's move on to the word zoo. Z, O, O. This is the word zoo. You can visit the animals in the zoo. Like in here in Davao City, we have the Crocodile Park. Next one, how about we do the word zip? When you have your zipper, you zip it close. So we have Z, I, and the letter P. We have the word zip. Zip, that is zip. Let me erase again and I will move on to the word zit. Z, I, and the letter T, this is the word zit. Another word for pimple is a zit. Next one, I am going to jump to another word. This time it's the word zap. Z, A, and the letter P, we have the word zap. You have to be careful with the outlets in your house. You do not put anything inside so that it will not zap you. The electricity flowing from the outlet will not zap you. So we have zap. Let's erase the writings on the screen. So again, if you're not yet done writing for these Z words, it is okay. You can pause the video, play it again once you are done. We will jump to the next part, okay? And this time, we will cover the pictures that has the letter Z or begins with the letter Z. And I only have 3 pictures here that I can find. So what are these pictures? I think I'm going to color for zebra. Color or cover for it. So zebra begins with the letter Z. What else? Does banana go in Z? No, that's for B. What about the truck? It's letter T. This is the T-Rex, doesn't go in the letter Z, but it ends with X. Is lion for letter Z? No, that's for L. What about a kind of vegetable? Zucchini. Yes, let's call her zucchini. How about piano? No, that's for P. Octopus, that's for O. Ring, that's for R. Window, that's for W. Violin, it's for V. But the zipper, do we color it? Yes, zipper begins with the letter Z. So the things that we have here, we have the zucchini, zebra, and also zipper for the letter Z. Let's erase this one and let's go jump to our work. Now, for today's work, you will need to do your phonics letters book for third quarter. You get to do your booklets for letter Z. And please prepare the following materials: your glue, your scissors, your crayons, and your markers. And we will do first our booklet, which is my Z book. Now, on my screen, some of the pictures I won't be coloring anymore. And also for the name, I won't be writing anymore. But I think you can do this one on your own, Riego. So I am confident that you can finish coloring and writing on your work. But if I move the slide fast, and if I finish fast on this video, again, pause the video, play it again once you are done. So we have our zebra for our letter Z here. You can color for this zebra, and you can also write your name here so that we will know it is your work. I'll jump to the next page, and this time, how about we trace for our capital and lowercase letter Z? Capital is also uppercase, okay? So trace for your letter Z, remember, you line at the top, you slide and you go out. You line at the top, you slide and go out. Continue making your capital letter Z. The 5 Z's, you need to trace it at the top. The ones at the bottom are the lowercase z's. So the same thing, but it's smaller. We have letter Z for this week. Our letter friend is the letter Z. And remember, Z has the sound letter Z. So now, if you're done with this work, good job. But if you're not yet done, again, pause the video, play it again once you are done. I'll jump to the next one, and that is to color for our Z's. We will do this one by column so that it's not hard for you to find the Z's. So we have 1 and 2 in the first column. How about here? Letter H going down, no Z. Letter M here going down, we have 1, letter Z. Okay, next. From Y going down, we have 1, letter Z. Again, this letter Y going down, I see 1, and then another one here. In letter V here, I see 1 capital letter Z. From this one, in letter N, going down, I have lowercase z. And then this one also. Let me fix something on our screen. Let's check how many letter Z's do we have more to call. The next one, let's color for the last 3 Z's. So let's see. In this column, how many Z's do we need to find? There's 3 more to go. So let's color 1 capital, another capital Z, and the last one. Okay. Do we have the same work, Riego? I think we do. We already have all our letter Z's. I dabbed it on the screen. Now remember again, if you are not yet done, it is okay. You can pause the video, play it again once you are done. You can now move on to the next page if you're done with this work. Let's do the next part. Can I move it already? I'll erase the writings on the screen here. And I'll get to circle the pictures that begin with our letter Z. So what are the things here that we can circle? Is the lizard for letter Z? No, lizard begins with L, so we do not circle for that one. What about for the zoo? Yes, zoo begins with the letter Z, so let's color this one. Sorry, let's circle this one. What else do we need to circle for? Envelope? No, it's for letter E. What about our zipper? Yes, let's circle for zipper. It begins with the letter Z. Okay, how about another one? This time it's the zucchini. Yes, zucchini begins with the letter Z, so we get to circle that. But what about the B? The B makes the buzzing sound. No, we don't circle that. It doesn't begin with Z. So again, the things that we can circle for this page, zipper, zucchini, and zoo, they all begin with the letter Z. Let's erase the writings. I'll jump to the next part. And I will go to our page 91 for our write the room work. Now, on this work, you have to write for the things that has letter Z or the ones that begin with the letter Z. I will skip writing for the name already, but if you're not yet done writing for that, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Can I move on and write for our Z words from 1 to 10? Okay, I'll go and write for the first word. Our word is the word zap. Z, A, and the letter P, zap. We have the zap. The outlet will zap. There's electricity flowing in the outlet. So you have to be careful if you're charging an item like a cell phone, a gadget, or when you plug an appliance like the TV, the electric fan, or maybe you have to ask an adult's help. Number two, let's write for the word zit. Z, I, and the letter T, zit. A zit is a kind of pimple. It's also a pimple, another word for it. Number three, let's go right for the word zigzag. Zigzag, Z I G, and then another Z, Z A G, zigzag. Remember, a zigzag, it's not a straight line. Zigzag. Number four, let's write for the word zip. We zip our zipper in the clothes and in the bag. Zip, Z-I-P. Next one, what about we do the word zero? The number for empty or nothing, that is zero. Z, E, R, N, O, that is zero. Then number six, how about let's do the word zebra? Z, E, B, R, and the letter A, zebra. How about let's try a different word? This one, it is a kind of instrument and it's like a harp. You pluck it. This one is called a zither. A zither is an instrument. Z I T H E and the letter R. Zither. I can play the zither. I want to use the zither. Number eight, let's go do the word zoom. When you say zoom, you want to be fast like the superhero flying up in the sky. He will zoom away. Z-O-O-M. Zoom. Number nine is a fairly easy word. It is the word zoo. Z-O and O. That's the word zoo. Zoo. And the number 10, let's do the word. How about let's do the word zest. Z-E-S. Zest. Z-E-S and letter T. Zest. When you say zest, that's like the juice of the fruit, like from the lemon or maybe from the calamansi, if you know calamansi or an orange. So what are the Z words that we have here? Let us check. We have zap, zit, zigzag, zip, zero, zebra, zither, zoom, zoo, and the zest. And now that we are done with our Z words from the Write the Room work, let us move on to the next worksheet. But if you're not yet done, again, pause the video, play it again once you are done. I'll erase the writings on the screen and I am going to jump to our font maze work. Now this time, please write your name at the top and you get to use your dabbers to dab for the letter Z. Now, how about I will dab for the letter Z's per column. So I'll start on this one, on this side. I found how many Z's? 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's 4 letter Z's. On this next column, this is a Z. This is Z, the letter Z. And this one is also Z. Okay, another column. I found 1, 2, and 3. On this column, 1, 2, 3, 4. On this one, there's 1. And the last column, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I found all my letter Z's. Now, since I'm done with this page, I will move on to the next work. But if you're not yet done on your end, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let me erase the writings. I'll be moving on to the next page. And that is to color for the things that begin with the letter Z, the ones with the Z sound. So for this one, you get to first write your name and you get your crayon. There are things here that we need to color for our letter Z. So I'll start with the zebra. Zebra begins with the letter Z. Let's color this one. Shovel doesn't belong in Z, but zipper does. So let's color this. Now, what's this instrument? Remember, I told you a while ago for our Write the Room, this instrument is called a zither. Zither begins with the letter Z. Let's color for our zither. Next, do we have van for letter Z? No. But what about zero? Zero begins with our letter Z. Let's color this one. How about wagon? No. But do we have zoo? Zoo begins with the letter Z. Let's color the zoo. Do we color for the buzzing bee? No, buzz or bee begins with B. So we cannot color this. But zucchini, we can color it. Zucchini begins with the letter Z. So these are the pictures that we have. The zebra, zipper, zither, zero, zoo, and zucchini, all beginning with the letter Z. Z sound letter Z. Now, if you're not yet done with the work, again, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's erase this one. I'll move on to the next work. And this time, it's going to be our letter sort. Now, for this work, please write your name at the top. Trace for your letter Z's, cut and paste for your Z's. You have to check if it is capital, that's a big letter. If it's for lowercase, it is a small letter. So see, you get to do those letter Z's. Let's trace for our letter Z's here on this part of the work. So we have both capital and lowercase z. Now, I already cut my pictures already. I'm done cutting for this one. I get to paste it, sort it out. So this one, it is capital Z. It's a big letter. This one is lowercase. I get to put this one, it's small. This one is lowercase. But what about this one? This one is capital. Another one, this one is lowercase. This one is capital. Another one, a lowercase letter. And the last one, capital Z. So here I sorted out all my letter Z's. Now, if you're not yet done with this page, pause the video, play it again once you are done. I'll erase the writings on the screen and I'll get to move on to our beginning sound work. Now, for this time, write your name, trace again for Z, cut and paste, check if they begin with Z and not letter Z. So how about I start with the letter Z? I will trace capital. This is lowercase, capital again, and lowercase z. So let's see what are the pictures that we need to sort. Lamp doesn't go in Z, it's for L. Zipper begins with letter Z. Zero is for the letter Z. Zoo begins with the letter Z. Volcano, it's for letter V. The buzzing bee, B, it begins with B, not Z. Lizard, lizard begins with letter L, not Z, but the zebra begins with Z. So here I have the picture sorted out in the right spot. We have the ones with Z. It's the zipper, the zero, zoo, and zebra. The ones that don't belong in Z, we have lamp, volcano, a bee, and the lizard. Let's erase the writings on the screen, okay? But if you're not yet done, again, pause the video, play it again once you are done. We get to also do our alphabet reader. So I want you to prepare this booklet. Please trace for your letter Z at the top, line down, and go out. Again, line down, you slide and out. So we have again our capital Z and the lowercase letter Z. And please don't forget, when you have your book and your booklets, always write your name. It's nice if you also try to do it in your full name. Now, can I move to the next page? I'll have to read with you the sentence in our booklet. So the first one, let us read. I have a zebra. So I want you to color for your picture. Remember again, our sentence. I have a zebra. And by the way, just a reminder, if I am being too fast, you can pause the video, play it again once you are done. I'll erase this one and I'll go move on to the next page. Let's read it twice and we have our Zeppelin. I have a Zeppelin. Let's go back. I have a Zeppelin. This is our Zeppelin. What about for another one? I'm not going to color anymore, by the way. I want you to do your work on your own. I am confident that you can answer it by yourself, Riego. The next page, I'll jump to the next one. And we have here our zipper. I have a zipper. Let's go back and read it twice. I have a zipper. This is our zipper. You find it in your clothes. Also in the bag. A zipper. Let's erase. And let's move on to the next one. Let's read our sentence. I have a zoo. Let's go back. I have a zoo. So we have our zoo here. Z-O-O, zoo. Let's erase this one. And let's move on to the next. Let's read. I have a zucchini. Let's go back. I have a zucchini. A zucchini is a kind of vegetable. Zucchini for the letter Z. Let's erase this one. And since we also had our letter Z work, we're going to also do the back work for the picture scramble. So last time, our letter friend was the letter X, and these are the following words that we need for our picture scramble workbook. So we have box, fix, fox, mix, tux, and wax. Trace for your letter X, capital, and the lowercase letter x. And please do not forget, write the name in the space provided. I will jump to the next part and I will do the word box. So again, we have the word box, B-O-X, that is box. Again, B O, and the letter X box. So when we write it lying down, a bear's belly, O and X, that's box. Lying down, a bear's belly, O and X, that is the word box. Now for our box word, let me fix this one on the screen and we'll get to fix our picture. So we have the first letter. It is what letter? B. Then this one. After B, we have the letter O in the middle. O. Let's fix this one. There's O. And at the end, to make the word box, you have to end it with the letter X. Box. Okay, so we have our box, an empty box, B-O-X, box. Let's erase this one, done with box. Now let's jump to another word, and this time, it is for the word fix. So let's spell it out, F-I-N-X, fix. If something is broken, you need to fix it, F-I-N-X, fix. So just like in our picture, a boy is fixing his bike. F-I-X, fix. F-I-N-X, that is for the word fix. Fix. And let's fix also our picture. So I will start with the first letter. The first letter of our word fix is the letter F. So let's put F in the box. F. Next one in the middle, it has the I sound. That's for our letter I. I for the igloo, for the iguana. And at the end, we also have our letter X. The X sound, letter X. So let's fix this one at the end. Okay, we have our word fix. F-I-X, fix. Let's erase this one. And let's go jump to fox. So we have the letters in fox, F, O, and the letter X, that is fox. F, O, and the letter X, fox. F, O, and X. Again, F, O, and X, that is fox. So an animal that lives in the forest, it's the fox. Let's fix our pictures. We need to put the first letter. Our first letter has the sound. It is what letter? That should be letter F. So let's put F. Next one, in the middle, the O sound. That's the letter O sound. O, F-O. And the last one, the X sound. We have our letter X. X sound, letter X. So we have our fox. F-O-X, fox. Let's erase the writings. Okay, the next one. If you want to help in the kitchen, maybe you can mix the ingredients. So let's spell it out. We have M, I, and the letter X, mix. We have M, I, and the letter X, mix. M, I, and X mix. M, I, and X mix. So we have all our words mix. Now for this one, let's fix our picture for mix. Mix has the sound in the beginning. So remember, these words, the ones that we're making in our booklet, these are words that end with letter X. Remember, there are not a lot of words that begin with the letter X, but our words that we have done for letter X, they have X in the middle and X at the end also. So our first letter, we have M. In the middle, there's I. And the last one, letter X, for the word mix. Mix. Let's erase this one. Done with the word mix. Okay, our last picture here and last, oh, not yet, it's second to the last. This is the tux. So let's spell it out. You have T, U, and the letter X, tux. T, U, and the letter X, tux. So let's write T, U, and X. T, U, and X, that is tux. So remember, the men and the boys, they wear the tux in special parties, like in the weddings. They can wear a tux. So what goes first in the word tux? It has the t sound letter. What letter do we need to fix for this one in our picture? We have to put letter T. So you have T. Next one, letter U, and the letter X, tux. Tux. The x sound at the end, x, x, letter X, tux. Okay, so we have our tux. We have the word tux, T-U-X. Let's erase the writings. And the last page for your work there, it's the word wax. So we have W, A, and X, that is wax. Again, W, A, and X, that is wax. W, A, and X, wax. W, A, and X, wax. So the wax is the melted part of your candle. When you use the candle, it melts. The one that's melting there, that's the wax, because our candles are made out of wax. Even the crayons that you use for coloring, those are also made from wax. So we have first the letter W, w sound, and then in the middle, the A sound. So let's fix this one. Our middle letter is A sound, letter A. And at the end we have the X sound, the X sound, letter X. We have wax. Okay. W-A-X, that's our wax. Let's erase the writings on the screen. And I will jump to the next part, and that is to congratulate you. Good job for finishing the work if you're done already. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done, and please finish your work. Because if you are done, I'll get to show you the sticker friend that we have. So Riego, since you have the video ending it here, you get to have your sticker friend, but I will choose it for you. And I'll choose number 3, the superhero Paw Patrol friends. And now that we are done with this one, let's erase And I will see you again in our next class, Riego. Bye-bye!